Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video from the core of my heart. In this video we are going to talk about wait. First of all, let me know how you are actually. So if you are from North India, कैसे हैं आप? Tell me into the comment box. And if you are from West India, केम छो? मजा मा or not? Tell me into the comment box. And if you are from East India, Yappadi Irokke. Tell me into the comment box. And if you are from East India, Apni came on chain. Bhalo achi or not? Tell me into the comment box. So now if you are from Lucknow, तो मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में हैं. And now some of the people will be thinking about it. Why did I make it so long? Let me tell you. It was a honey trap to keep you watching this video until the end. And now let me come to the topic. You know what? In this video we are going to talk about how to make English language interested so that people could learn it easily. Nowadays in India there are so many people who are watching very meaningless content and reels and all the things in their mobile phones to get entertainment. So it means we need to make English language interested so that they could get entertainment while learning English language, while learning anything. Okay, so that the people who are not so much interested in English language could learn it easily. But how can we make it interested? How? Listen to me carefully. There are three types of of sentences: past, present and future, and every three has four types of sentences. Okay, so first of all, the people who are not interested in English language, they should choose in which they are comfortable, in which they are able to solve, they are able to make, they are able to learn, they want to learn. Okay, they should choose one type of sentence. Okay, whether it is future or past or present. Okay, and then they should try to make it with vocabularies. And now let me tell you, how can we make interested the vocabulary. Like, there are so many people who are not able to learn vocabularies. They just learn it and they forget, learn it and they forget. So I just want to say that we need to learn those vocabularies which are very interested, which are very common. Like, I have a example for this. Inspecting, like something, muaina. Okay, so in this word, when we listen this word, we have to we have to keep it in our mind. But if we add the suffix er, then it becomes inspector. Yes, and now it is very easy. Now we can learn it. Even it will have inserted in our mind automatically. Yeah, it has gone in your mind as well. So through this we can say strategy, we can learn many more words. Like, there's a one more word. In this case we are not adding any suffix, but it's like, listen to me carefully, it's a mongoose. It looks like very funny, so we can use it with friends. Okay, like, we can call someone with this name in friends, like it's joking. Okay, so we can learn these kind of vocabularies to improve our English language. If we are not interested, if we are not so much interested. Okay, so in this era, we, the people of India, are not learning so many things. The people who are living in rural areas, they do not want to learn English language. They think that, what will be happen. I mean, we do not want to become like British, and no, we do not want to learn this kind of language. What will be happen? By these things now, they can learn it easily. And you know what? The most important thing I just want to share with you, that is, make education, make English language easy. Learn it with a fun, with having fun. People nowadays now, the people and the children want to get entertainment. Like they want entertainment every day. When we learn something while sitting some in school and anywhere at home, wherever we are, so we the people, we just get bored after for a while just learning something. So make it something interested to learn whatever we are learning. Okay, just I just humbly request to the teachers, teach it with a fun, so that the children could learn it, could not go away from the school, could not could not just run away from the school to learn something. Just make it fun, not that kind of fun, but I'm just are you aware about now? So that is why I'm just saying that we should make it something like very interested, so that children could learn it easily. So I think so, I hope you will understand this thing, and thank you for watching this video.